bro, I just fucking lost my teeth, bro. I fucking was all the way at my hotel. My 250,000 peso teeth were on the floor. This guy could have got this, bro. You could have got these teeth, bro. Thank you so much, bro. I love you, bro. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed, bro. I almost lost 250,000 pesos, bro. Bro, I almost lost 250,000 pesos, nigga. Bro, these teeth. I almost lost these teeth, bro. 18 karat gold, VVS Earth Mine diamonds, guys. Oh, fuck. That's what happens when you choose to eat a banana after your date, nigga. That's what happens when you choose to eat a banana after your date. You lose your teeth. 250,000 peso teeth right on the floor, bro. I fucking got them, bro. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, bro. It's fucking crazy. All right, guys, let me see how. Yeah, bro, that's a crazy, nigga. Imagine how you would feel, nigga. I just came right back. Tried to stay calm. I found my teeth, nigga. But I don't know what I would have done if I didn't find them, bro. I would probably beat someone up, nigga. For real. It's kind of sad. Well, I'm happy, bro. Shit like this happens, you appreciate all the bullshit in life, nigga. That's the good stuff about the bad stuff. The bad stuff makes you appreciate the good stuff, nigga. I lost my teeth and I appreciate that stupid ass female I just met that didn't give me no pee. Big brr. That's how we do it in Big Dog Strategies. Boss Up, Level Up today. I'm out here, nigga. Halo 21 in this bitch, nigga. Pew, 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 pew. Meow, 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 meow. Big brr. Sagada, and you want to pick me up and you want some stronger coffee, bro, go get the caramel cappuccino at Sagada Brew, bro. That shit'll wake you right up and it'll make your taste buds dance, nigga. It'll make your taste buds dance Michael Jackson, nigga. Big brr, nigga. Brr, we're going to Tam Tam Cafe, nigga. Once again, nigga. I think they closed the door because it's raining, nigga. Hopefully it's not closed, nigga. Oh, it is closed, bro. How the fuck are they gonna close Tam Tam's Cafe in the morning time, bro? I haven't even got my coffee yet, nigga. Now I gotta go back to Sagada Brew, nigga. Big brr, nigga. They take forever and that lady's stupid, nigga. The one that works here, I'm sorry, bro, but that lady's honestly stupid. It's educational content, bro. I'm not being mean. Nigga, bro, that lady's stupid, bro. She's an old lady, forgetful. She handles all the money and all the transactions, bro, and then you'll be waiting like 20 minutes just so you get paid, just so you get your change, all sorts of stupid shit. Once some shit like that happens, someone do shit like that nonstop, you gotta call them stupid, bro. It's educational content. It's not stupid content. Nigga, right now, it's empty, bro. On the weekends it's full, but over here it's empty now, bro. Finally, you don't gotta wait a million hours, bro, just so you can get your change. Big brr. And now I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this beautiful caramel cappuccino all alone in this restaurant, which is all mine because no one else is here. Thank God. Big brr. Cappuccino is the best, trust. For real. Cappuccino they have in Sagada, bro. Best coffee. So strong, wakes you up, but it's so delicious at the same time. Let's see the medley of flavors, bro. It's like the melting pot of flavors, Los Angeles in this cup, nigga. Nice cup of Sagada Brew. After you came back from a date where you didn't get laid. Big brr, nigga. Original Sagada Brew, bro, made fresh. It's so perfectly strong and flavorful of coffee. I don't know what else to say, but it's bomb, bro. This shit is all you need. If you don't, it's more stronger than the cappuccino, bro. So if you want something even stronger than the cappuccino, if you really want to get your money's worth on the strongness of the coffee, then you just get the straight up Sagada Brew, bro. That shit will get the strongest one, bro. That's the strongest shit they have in the whole store. See that girl right there? She got the Sagada Brew, bro. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. She knows what's up, bro. She gets the strong shit, bro. She likes that strong. Big Masquerado sugar, bro. I thought it was brown sugar, but it's Masquerado sugar, bro. Do your research of what that is. I'm not gonna do the research for you, nigga. But that's what it is, bro. And I'm about to put extra sugar in my coffee just because I want to get some Masquerado superpowers in this bitch. Big brr. Exquisite. I feel like a rich person, bro, when I'm drinking this coffee, bro. I feel like the richest man in the world. I just want to put my pinky up and say exquisite all day, every day whenever I'm drinking this coffee. That's how rich I feel. Big brr. I'm ready to dip Sagada, guys. Big brr. My hotel, $12 a night. Boom, pack. Ready to dip. My battery died on the motorbike because I left the key in all night. Big brr. So yeah, we're here at Rockview. They jump started for you apparently. And I can fill it up with gas too while I'm at it. So 2 birds with 1 stone once again. Big brr. Battery's inside that little compartment right there. He's unscrewing it. Big motorbike, guys. Big brr. Philippines jump start. Same thing in both countries. Red first apparently, bro. Red first, black last. If you think about it racistly, it's easy to remember. So just be racist and you'll remember it so easily, guys. Red first, black last. Just be racist and you can remember for the rest of your life without thinking. Big brr. Just be racist whenever you think about Jumpstart. Remember racism and then think black last. All right, guys? Big brr. Right, guys? You just think about racist shit, bro, and then you can remember. It's so easy. Black last. Bro, thank you. I can go return this motorbike. It's so expensive. Thank you, man. It's 1,000 pesos a day. But in Manila, it's only 500 pesos a day. They're taking advantage of all the tourists, guys. In Sagada, they take advantage of tourists. Look at that golden tire, bro. That shit's so beautiful, bro. Look at that golden tire. Big brr. Rear-wheel drive, guys. You see? This is an example of rear-wheel drive in real-time action. Big brr. And the gas station's right there. Let's see how much it's gonna cost to fill up the gas. It only has 2 bars left. It's damn near out of gas. Let's see how much it's gonna cost in the Philippines to fill up this motorbike with gas. I drove all the way to Buscalan and back and more. Big brr. Finished, bro. They charged the motorcycle. Now go get gas, return it. Then we're going from Sagada all the way to Angeles to pick up the pack. Big brr, because they didn't have it in Buscalan. It was all a scam. Big brr. Don't go to Buscalan for cannabis. Don't go to Sagada for cannabis. They don't got it here anymore either. All the people are talking about back in the day when they tell you that shit, nigga. Big brr. I thought they had Kush over here. They don't have Kush over here. This is my 2nd time. I went to Buscalan twice. It's all a lie. Everyone just wants to scam me, bro. It's stupid. So I'm probably not going to come back here ever again. Maybe I will. Who knows? We'll see. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Paul. For 35 pesos. 2-liter water for 35 pesos. One last time before we leave. Big brr. The Steel. This is Steel, guys. Come right next to the motorcycle shop and we rent the motorcycle for a rip-off price of 1,000 pesos a night and get yourself a cheap-ass, good deal water of 35 pesos for 2 liters so you can stay hydrated during the night and during the day and you don't have to die. Nigga, big brr. So soon at the 35 peso 2-liter water shop and I told her I'm leaving so soon because there's no Kush over here. I came back twice. I thought they had Kush over here. They don't have any Kush over here. So I just might not come back ever again. We'll see what happens. If I have a reason to come back, I will. Big brr. Okay. I mean, I already did a video of a bunch of the stuff over here. I already visited everything besides the cave. So I'm not sure. I already did everything there is besides the cave. So we'll see. Unless they have Kush. You should grow some Kush so I can have a reason to come back. Grow the best Kush that exists in the Philippines so I can come back and make you rich. And then I'll be coming back more and more. Okay, that's the idea. Have a good day, man. Thank you for, oh no, water. Pay for the water. You forget to pay for water. You forget for everything, bro, when you talk about Kush. Coda Line bus station, and we're gonna take the bus. It goes all the way to Manila, but we're gonna get off at Pampanga so we can go to Angeles City and do some more content for y'all guys. We're gonna stunt and show flash some 100K pesos in front of the hoes, nigga. Or we just might not do that, bro, because I'm not trying to get shot up, nigga. But we're gonna do something cool, my nigga. Stay tuned.